Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So today we are sharing one of our favorite recipes of white sauce pasta with you all, which we are very much sure that you will love it. So yeah, without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, we have taken a non-stick pan and to this we have added some butter. Now once the butter start melting, time to add some veggies into it. We have added thinly sliced cut mushrooms, but you can also add zucchini, completely depends upon your taste preferences. And now saute the mushrooms with the butter for a while. After that, add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again, mix everything really nicely. Now the next step is to add half a teaspoon of chili flakes and half a teaspoon of pizza seasoning or oregano. And now finally saute the mushrooms for around 30 to 40 seconds. Now here we have added chopped green bell peppers, the red and the yellow ones, but you can also add veggies of your choice. You can also add broccoli over here, very finely cut broccoli. And just saute the veggies for, you can say, 30 to 40 seconds only, because we don't want to overcook the veggies. We really want the crunch of our veggies in our pasta. So please make sure that you are not overcooking the veggies. Now after 30 to 40 seconds, you can see that the veggies will be completely done. Now just turn off the flame and take them out in a bowl so that they can cool out completely. Again, take a new non-stick pan and add, you can say, 3 tablespoons of butter into it. And please guys, just know the measurements of the ingredients which we are telling you. White sauce pasta, basically white sauce is all about the right measurements of the ingredients. Firstly, we have taken 3 tablespoons of butter and to this we have added some chopped garlic. And now cook the garlic with the butter for a while. We don't want to turn the garlic to be brown in color. We don't want to burn the garlic. We just want a little bit of hint of garlic in our white sauce. So don't overcook the garlic with the butter. After that, we have added 2 tablespoons of maida all-purpose flour. And now with the help of a whisker, we are just mixing the maida with the butter really nicely. Please make sure that you have taken a whisker just like this. Otherwise, the normal service spoon will not at all mix the maida with the butter nicely. You have to take a whisker and now mix the maida with the butter really nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. We don't want the maida to turn brown. We basically want to cook the maida. And please make sure that the flame should be low. You should always cook white sauce on low flame. And just keep on whisking it. And don't leave the maida unattended. You have to be there when you are just whisking the maida. And after 2 to 3 minutes, when your maida will be nicely mixed with the butter, just add 1 cup of milk first and keep on whisking it. There is a small tip: if you are adding the milk, then also keep on whisking it. Otherwise, there will be lumps in your white sauce pasta and it is very difficult to get rid of the lumps. When you are adding the milk also, then also keep on whisking it. And here we have added the second cup of milk. And again we are whisking the sauce really nicely. Basically we have taken 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 cups of milk. We have added 1 cup of milk first, we mixed it nicely, and then we have added the second cup. After 3 to 4 minutes, you will see that the sauce is becoming real thick. After that, we have added half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and again mix it really nicely with the sauce. And again make sure that the flame should be low. And here you can see that the sauce is thickening. That means the sauce is cooking really nicely. After that, add 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning or oregano, whichever is available, and 1 full teaspoon of chili flakes. And again mix it nicely. And here your sauce is almost ready. And again make sure that the flame should be low. Please don't cook your white sauce on high flame. And here we have added some boiled pasta. We have taken the penne shape, but you can take any shape of your choice. And the cooked veggies, the mushroom and the bell peppers one. And now the last step is to just mix everything really nicely. You have to make sure that the pasta is nicely coated with the sauce and the veggies are nicely mixed with the sauce. And you can also add black olives if you like black olives. We love them, but we were not having them when we were making this pasta, so we didn't add them. But black olives taste really nice in this recipe. And here guys, your white sauce pasta is completely ready. Do try it. If you love white sauce pasta, you will completely forget about the cafe style one. We are pretty much sure about that. And yeah, for more such recipes, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.